How to verify your Roblox account email address. So first you want to head to roblox.com and then sign into your account and then click on your profile. Now you want to go to settings. On the settings icon right here, click on it and then click on settings. And then under email address right here, if the email is not verified, you should see verify email button. So for example, like this, then you want to click on verify and it should tell you that a verification email has been sent. Now you should open up your Gmail that is linked to your Roblox account. So in this case, I'm going to open my Gmail. And as you can see, this is the email from Roblox to verify. So I'm going to copy the link right here and then open it in this tab because I have Roblox opened here. Now it should say, thank you, your email has been verified. Now if you refresh the page right here, you should see that your email is verified. And that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.